How much time do you waste every day because of technology? Time is money. Just because it's a cliche doesn't mean it's not true. And your IT should be there to save your time, not waste it. But here's the thing. On average, businesses that handle their own IT in-house lose over 97 hours every year because of IT downtime. 97 hours. Add that up not only in lost payroll dollars, but in all the work that didn't get done because people were trying to make computers just do what they're supposed to. So it makes sense that you want to find an IT support company to handle the tech problems for you. But we bet you've been poking around online and you've seen the same thing over and over again. Empty platitudes that your success is their success. A lot of annoying technobabble that you couldn't care less about. Promises of low prices for great service that don't actually explain what they're offering. Too many companies just trumpet the same lines over and over, but when you actually need them to come through for you, it's always the same. You pick up the phone, wait for a return call, and then sit tapping your heel, wondering where the technician is to take care of the problem. So you still end up wasting time and money. But now you're also paying the bill of a company that is taking almost as long as you would to fix the problem. We're not here with a bunch of empty promises about great support or super value. If that's what you're looking for, you'll find plenty of people ready to offer it. Instead, we lay out exactly how we use proactive innovation to stop problems before they start and focus on your future. Developing an IT strategy that's focused on the right technology at the right price for the right purpose. A plan for putting in good quality technology ahead of time to save you time and frustration down the road without breaking your budget. Putting in the work ahead of time to do proper maintenance. Tighten your security to stop potential disasters that could slow you down or even close your doors. And implement solutions that stop problems before they start. Actually coming in and checking up on you before you need to call us. So even if there's nothing to fix, we can talk about how to use your technology to take your business to the next step. And there it is. We don't make promises that we can't keep. Instead, we think smart. We put in the hard work ahead of time, and we work with you to make sure you get the right technology for the right price. You deserve support from an IT support company that understands your time is valuable. Don't hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, or fill out the form on this page. Let us prove to you why we're the trusted name for proactive IT support.